Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another of one of my older projects today, and it's this melamine table that I turned into this lovely geometric sunset landscape. So I hope you like it, and let's get started. Most Ikea tables use this type of wood, and it's the same prep as you usually would do. You can check out my furniture prep video from before. The only difference is you have to make sure that your primer is suitable for this melamine laminate type wood, but that's the only difference. It's literally that easy. First off, I painted the sky. So all I did for this was put on a layer of orange on the top and then blend it with a layer of pink on the bottom of the sky. Then I taped out the line for the horizon and I painted blue on for the waves or the water. Now I'm going to show you how to do the geometric design on the waves and the sun. And pre-warning, I waste a ton of masking tape because this is when I first started furniture painting. So please learn with me. But yeah, you can definitely just use a tiny piece of masking tape as a spacer, and you don't need to mark out every stripe because I'm going to be alternating stripes anyway. So some of this doesn't need to be masking tape at all. But here we are. And I'm going up into the sky because I'm going to cut around a circular object to get the sun. I was doing some quick maths, and now I'm cutting around this massive symbol so that I can peel away the tape for the top half of the circle. So this is the sun that is coming out of the water, so this needs to be all clear, and then I'm going to peel away every second stripe, and then within the bottom half of the sun I'm going to do the opposite. And then you'll see later on I actually add a bit more, I add more depth to it later, but you'll see at the end result. But yeah, so here I am painting on some blue. You can see I'm going heavier with the top and then fading down to the bottom just to create another ombre on the bottom half of this. I just thought it would look nice in the water, and the colours look really good together. So here I'm cutting the stripes within the sun in half just to sort of create some rays of sunshine coming into the water. And then I'm going in with the yellow here. These are Fusion Mineral paints. You can buy them from Revamped in Drada. And yes, I'm just going in with the yellow, and while it's wet I use the orange to just sort of blend it in. So that's the key with any blending. So for the ombre effect on both the top and the bottom half of this, it's just doing it when it's wet. There's no big secret to it. It's just making sure that the first layer of paint you put on is still wet when you put the darker layer on. Now I'm going to remove the masking tape while the paint is wet. This just ensures to get a crisp line, and you can see that the yellow on the water just isn't enough, so I added some dark blue later on. I'm just touching up any areas that need touching up there, and I'll show you the end result. This is the end result, guys. Thank you so much for watching again. I really appreciate it. And if you try this out at home, please tag me at Colourful. I love to see your projects. I hope you're all keeping well, and I will see you all next week for my next video. Thanks so much.